Good day, welcome to King Wilmer's Everything. I want to protect my new blue R2 Plus screen. I got the little kind of sticker that you can put on there that came with it, but I want to do something a little better. So I bought this tempered glass, and it has some really cool specs, but I'm kind of leery about the specs because it just says screen protector, tempered glass. It doesn't seem like there's any kind of name brand on it, but it was pretty cheap. Oh, the other thing that was kind of worrying me, it's a 2-pack. So if it's so good, why did they give you 2? But anyway, I think this will be okay. See, it's 9H surface hardness, high-end original product. So when they put high-end on there, that's some quality stuff. 9H surface hardness, HD tempered glass, shatterproof, anti-oil coating. Ooh, my little oily fingers won't get it all messy. Protects my eyes. It says protects your eyes, not my eyes, your eyes. But it's made in China. And you can see here's the barcode if you want to get the barcode off that. Like I said, this is for the blue R2 Plus. I like this phone, but had some good luck with it. Like I said, I did put the little sticker that came with it to kind of protect it. But as you can see, as soon as you touch it, it smudges up pretty bad. So I'm hoping this will be a little bit better. I put one on another phone, and it went pretty well. But basically what you do is this tempered glass protector is made of chemical process glass. Anti-fingerprint oil coating. Slim tempered glass, only 0.3 millimeters, so it's pretty thin. Anti-shatter film, highly silicone coating, advanced silicone adhesion, perfect adhesion. Ooh, made in China. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Let's see, can we get this open? There we go. Maybe not. Come on, baby, open up. Give me what's inside. There we go. There we go. So basically what you do, you clean the crap out of this, and you definitely don't want even a speck of dust. Speck of dust, you put that on here, and with the little silicone coating on this, what it does, it kind of just makes it kind of adhere nice and smooth, and there's no bubbles or anything. At least after a while, there's no bubbles. But if you got like this little piece of dust right here that you can barely see, if you got even like that piece of dust, you'll have a big blob, and you'll never get it out. So you try to peel it off and put it back on, you're just going to make it even worse, because now that silicone's on here and any other dust is going to drop on it before you can put it on, and you have a mess. So we're going to be really careful when we do this. So let's open it up, take a peek and see what's inside. Oh, here, installation instructions, and it seems like it's in installation. There's 2 step 1. Step 1, screen cleaning. Step 2, replace pulling label. Step 3, de-dusting cleaning film. And then step 1, place clean screen on professional screen cleaning kit. Step 2, tear off the release liner. Step 3, press the central part with your finger to fix the films onto the screen automatically. So it looks like screen cleaning suit and electro de-dusting film. Okay. So I'm guessing you need to clean it. Let's see what we got in here. There's 1. And here's 2. Come on, baby. There's 2. Like I said, if they give you 2, I'm kind of leery about why they're giving you 2 if it's so good. Oh, and here's the little wipes. Let's see. Oh, wet, dry, and wet and dry. Oh, and then there's guide sticker. What's this? Okay, dust absorber. Used to clear the dust on the screen. Okay. I'm confused. I guess we need to read the instructions on this. So I'm kind of thinking what we need to do is we need to stick these on the screen so you're not touching with the other fingers, but I'm not sure what this does. Dust absorbing. We got to read these instructions, I guess. Okay, usage. Please use professional screen wipes to clear the fingerprint oil stains. Okay, then use dedicated lens cleaning cloth to wipe the screen in order. Make perfect quick cleaning effect. Finally, use electrostatic precipitate film to stick out the undetectable soft flocks and dust. What? All right, I'm baffled here. We are having some English problems here. Okay, I'm somewhat baffled. The English is quite confusing, but kind of what I get is they're showing in these steps here to take off your original protector, and then dedusting cleaning film usage after tear the original pad pasting, stick out dust on the apparatus or pad pasting gently by the absorption side of the dust removal paste. Okay. What do you think dust removal paste is? I see dust absorber used to clear the dust on the screen. So I'm thinking you take this and you can kind of absorb your dust, removes excess dirt, wipes, removes excess dirt, wet and dry. Professional screen cleaning paper. Okay, so I guess dedusting cleaning film. So I think, I don't know, this is quite confusing. I don't remember any of this. Of course, you know, this is the no-name brand. So I'm thinking what we're going to do is peel off this sticker, then clean it with the dust absorber maybe. Just clear the dust on the screen. Then we'll remove excess dirt. Then we'll remove excess dirt. Wet and dry. I think that's what we're going to do. Let's try that. Let's see. So this is the little protector that came with it, and this worked pretty well. Digging lots of bubbles in it. I wasn't too worried about that. Look at that. Pristine screen. So this did do a nice job. So I'm going to put him aside like that. And it does look pretty clean. And now I think what we will do is we will use these fellows and dust absorber. Let's see what order they're doing. They seem to be doing dedusting cleaning film. It's unclear what they're doing there. Looks like they somehow used this to peel it up, maybe? No idea. Please clean the screen with the professional screen cleaning kit. In electrostatic precipitation film provided. Tear off the release liner of liner number 1 of the films. Direct the films at each whole site of the edge of the screen, then lay it down slowly. All right, I give up on that. I can see we're going to get nowhere with that. So I'm kind of thinking that the guide sticker, you put them on the front of this. That way you're not touching with your little grubby fingers, and you can kind of lay it down nice and neat. And that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll tell you what, let's do some wipey wipies. This actually looks pretty nice and clean. You know what I think I'll do? I think I'm going to take the protector off. There we go. Even better. See, we got some smudges already on there. Okay. Now let's do some cleaning. Wet and dry. Removes excess dirt. Let's see what we got in here. So we got this little, looks like a little alcohol pad. Oh, look how little it is. Very generous. So we are going to decruddify it with the wet one. And hopefully this will work out really well. And you can see all the little dust pieces there. I see a dusty right there. Let's see. Okay, so definitely see the dust. So that's the wet one. Now the dry one. I bet you it's dry. It's dry. And Alright, nice and smooth and neat. Gonna lose all kinds of smudges. Alright, so that's making me sad. Probably a reason why there's stores that's what they do for a living, and like go to the mall and they put these on for you. Probably in the end it's a lot better because you can see my smudges everywhere. I don't think it's supposed to be smudgy like that. Hard to say. I think what I'm going to do is get a nice clean cloth. Definitely that is not looking right. Darn you, China. Alright, hold on. Let me get a better cloth. What it does, it kind of smushes out and it makes a nice... See, there's one little blob there. Kind of a... That's not too bad. What will happen is, over time, it'll kind of smooth out. Oops. I think we did it. So let's take off the guide stickers. I think that worked pretty well. Like I said, once you kind of smush out all the little wrinkles kind of in it, it should lay flat. Probably not the best way to do it, or the way they recommend, but seem to have some difficulty with their way, which made no sense. There we go. So I think we have like a little bit here that we need to kind of push out. There we go. You can kind of see the edges are kind of smoothing out now. I think just the silicone in it kind of lets it flow. So you get a nice bond. I don't know why these two dots are down here, but it seems like wherever the thing was at. There you go. Get to the end, baby. There we go. You got her. You got it, honey. Come on. You have to sweet talk the deal. And getting closer. Maybe if we go that way. I don't know. Oh no, so far so good. Other than the little pieces down here. Like maybe if we, I don't know. I could probably live with that. I'm not going to though. Do you have a spare one? I would like to see if I can get this to lay flat. Come on. You want to get out. There we go. I think we're getting her. Okay, just something a little bit stuck. Not sure why. Well, you know what? I think I might stop touching it. We'll let her sit overnight and see if she kind of smooths out a little bit, because we got pretty good other than these. It's a little mushy at the bottom. Let's see if she works. Come on, baby. Oh, I locked myself out by touching it way too much, but you get the idea. So, let's see. Yeah, I locked myself out. Too many attempts, try again later. Because I was touching it and touching it and touching it. So there we go. Okay, there you go, guys. One screen protector. Looks good. So there you go. I guess this did work pretty well. I think I'll save And maybe I'll save some of these parts for next time, just in case. I'm sure at some point we'll either crack it.
I'm not sure.
Crack it or break it, but we'll have a spare. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we now have one screen protector. So have a great day.